Hi, this is Jim Schuett, and I'm here to help uh, give some instruction on doing the Ward History program in the church website. I've had the request from someone in our stake for a little help with this, and so I thought I'd do a video, quick video to show how it's done. So let's just go from the very beginning, which is logging into the church site. Go into my home, or get this up on your screen, and then go down to my calling, and you can do training over here, but if you want to just go straight to unit history, that's where all the magic happens. Okay. So we're going to go down. You could do a quick start guide and get some more instruction if you'd like, or if you're doing a story yourself, which is a good thing to do for practice, if nothing else, just click Create Story, and your ward is up here. And let's go step by step how to do this. So the title, we're going to do unit history instruction 2024. Okay, now this would be the title of your story, so like um, uh, went to the temple with so and so on such a night. Anyway, whatever the title, short title should be that describes what the event is. And so then you would do the date of the event. Today's is This is today's date because we're doing this event today. If it's a one-day thing, then you only need to put in the first date. You don't need to put in the end date. But if it's like a week, a temple trip over 3 days, then you would put in the beginning and the end date. And then continue. Now, this is creating your own story. And so it looks like you're ready to approve it and you haven't even written it. And so that's a little confusing. But you just scroll down, and now you see the title you entered in, the date range, and now you have the opportunity to add your organization if that's appropriate. So you have those organizations, and if it's not, then just skip that. And then you're ready to enter your story. And now this particular line with the asterisk is for your title. We're just going to do unit history instruction and hit enter, and now you're ready to do text. And I'll scroll up here. Actually, let me, underneath here it shows 5,000 characters available, and I forgot what this is here. Oh, not, that's the video going on. Okay, and so now I'm ready to come back up here. Oh, there's actually more. Let's continue on down. So there's your instruction, your title, and your paragraph of description of your event. Now the people that are in the story. So you would end up putting in the name of the people that are in the story, or you'll have a chance later to put the people's names of that are in pictures of things. So I'm just going to say Ward History Specialist. For brevity, I'll just type that. Okay, and now you have the opportunity to put in photos and PDFs, and I will do both. So we're going to upload a photo, and that's going to take you to the screen where you have photos to choose from. Okay, I've got one from my program on the on November 10th. So I'm just going to click on that, open. Now that's going to plop that in here. Now the content permission, very important. We need to make sure that you read and understand this and the requirements for getting permissions. Once you have that, then go ahead and click and continue. Now that's put that in there. Now let's put in a PDF. Same process, it's just a PDF instead of a photo. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put in this is all the same week. When I'm doing these programs, so that I save it as I go, I'll save it as -1A, 1B, 1C, and then when I get to the point where I need to make a PDF of it, I'll save the PDF, and then the last one is the is the latest one, and so I'm going to use that and there. Again, permissions. Be sure you understand and follow the guidelines. Okay. So let's see here. So now we're going to go down a little lower, and here's where you can add authors. Now, if you're the one entering in the story, your name will be put there. And sometimes you'll get more than one name here, and if one of them needs to be removed, all you have to do is go over to across from where the name is and click remove. In this case, it would be, you know, this one. Now you're ready to preview the story, and you can do that here. Now let's just take a quick look. Okay, so there's the photo and there's the PDF that I entered in, so we're good to go there. I'm just going to go back and go to my stories, and there should be a draft here, and that's because I didn't submit or publish, it's still an open draft, and I can take a look at those. And now there's the one that's available. I'm going to go into edit, and make sure that this is the right one. Yep. And now I'm going to approve and publish. Now that takes care of that part, so that's published. Now when you are a ward historian, you are the one that manages the stories that come in. So other people are writing stories, and you will have if there are any approvals waiting for you, there'll be a number up here, and you'll need to go into each one and approve before that they can be published. Other than that, I think we're good so far as how to do this. So you can view stories that are there, you can create a story, you can get a list of your stories, and then in the manager, um, you can get an activity report, and you go here to check on this page, which shows you if anybody else has submitted stories and they're waiting for you to publish. And I think that's pretty much it so far as this process goes. If you have any other questions, or need more help with this, I'm glad to help you. And again, my name's Jim Schuett, and I have my phone number is 480-277-7550. Again, 480-277-7550. And email is church45040 @gmail.com. That's church with our Mason zip code 45040 and @gmail.com. So thank you very much, and hope this helps. Take care.